How to generate a track in Mubert. To start the process of generating your track, navigate to your dashboard and click on the Generate Track button. This will guide you to the first step of the process, where you have 3 distinct options to get started. Firstly, you can type in a prompt on the prompt bar. This could be a single word or a phrase that inspires you. Second, there's the option to upload an image. This can be an effective method if you want your track to be inspired by a particular visual or aesthetic. Lastly, you also have the option to choose the mood of your track. Select the specific genre and even the activities you associate with the track. Simply click on each respective tab and select the options that align with your vision. Once you've completed this, you'll move on to the second step, which involves choosing the set type for your track. You have 4 options here: trap, loop, mix, and jingle. Each one carries its own specific feel and structure. The choice you make here will set the tone for your entire track. The third step in the process is defining the length of your track. Whether you want a short tune or a lengthy composition, ensure to input the desired track duration here. Finally, after you've gone through these steps, click the Generate Track button to start the creation process. Wait for a little while and voila! Your track, tailored to your preferences, will be ready for you to review, tweak, and finalize.